Today I'm going to show you how to make super crispy buffalo chicken tenders. It's the perfect food to eat while you watch your favorite sports championship, aka the Cricket World Cup. And that other thing too.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Let's make some chicken tenders. First up, you're gonna need some chicken. I'm gonna start by wrapping these guys. This is not how you do this. I'm gonna put the chicken in some cling film. Stay in there, stay in there. Now we smash them up. Smashed. Smashed. Little beautiful chickens. I'm gonna cut each breast into 3 different pieces. We're not messing around today, we're doing big tenders. Now let's make a marinade. A marinade, fuck yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! Well, I guess that's kind of thematically appropriate for a football game. I'm gonna start with about 3 cups of buttermilk. I use buttermilk for my chicken marinades because it tenderizes the meat. We're not making chicken chewies here. We're making chicken tenders. I'm also gonna do a few dashes of hot sauce. Also gonna do a big pinch of salt and a bit of freshly crackles. Ugh. Everything is awesome! And a little bit of freshly cracked hopes and dreams. Give it a little mix, little mix, little mix, little mix. Now put your chicken in there. In you go. Give it a little mix with your bare hands. Sorry. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight. While we're waiting on the marinade, we're gonna use our hands to make some ranch. We're gonna use our ranch hands. We're gonna start by chopping up some parsley on the cutting board that I definitely washed after cutting raw chicken on it. I'm gonna chop up some chives. Little chive rain. Now we're gonna chop up some dill. If you don't want to use the fresh herbs, you can use the dried stuff. It works also. I just like to use the fresh herbs. Herbs. Fresh herbs. Herbs. Fresh herbs. 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 So now in a bowl, we're gonna do about half a cup of mayo. I'm also gonna do half a cup of sour cream. Now we're gonna put in our dill. We're gonna put in our chives, and we're gonna put in the parsley. All right, that's just all of it. It's all going in. I'm also gonna do half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm also gonna do a little squeeze of lemon juice. You sound sexy. Now mix it all up. We're also gonna do a little pinch of salt, and a little fresh pepper of Bel Air. And that's your ranch. If you like your ranch sauce to be a little bit more liquidy, just add some milk or some buttermilk. But I like mine thick. They used to call me Thicklest Cage in high school. Now we're gonna make some buffalo sauce. I'm gonna do about 3/4 of a stick of butter. Then we're gonna do a full bottle of Frank's RedHot. And because today Leo doesn't respect tomorrow Leo, we're gonna add a few drops of Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Just a little bit to say hi. Evil hot sauce. Yes, it is. I'm also gonna do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix that all up. Fun fact, buffalo sauce was actually invented by New York settlers who used to use bison blood to thicken up their sauces. Is that the truth? Who knows? And that's our super easy buffalo sauce. Moving on. Now let's make our dredging station. Dredge. I'm gonna start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna do 3/4 cups of cornstarch. Tony Starch, the fattest avenger. I'm also gonna do 1 tablespoon of baking soda. That's gonna make everything a bit more airy. 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we're gonna whisk all that up together. Now let's get wet. We're gonna start with 4 eggs. 1. We're gonna do a little pinch of salt. Not too much, just a small splash of buttermilk. Now whisk it all together. And that's our wet station. Let's start dredging. Let's dredge some chicken. We're gonna start by flicking a bit of the marinade into the flour. It's gonna give us nice little craggly bits. 1 goes in. Pat it in. Then we go into the egg mixture. Nice little coating of egg mixture. And then we're gonna put it back in the batter. And that gives us perfect little chicken strips. We're gonna let these guys sit for 15 minutes, then we'll be able to fry. So I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Or like 15 minutes for me, but for you it'll be like, right, normally you'd be deep frying at 350, but I set my oil to 375 because the moment I put these guys in, the temperature is gonna drop naturally. Ugh. Hell machine. Now we're gonna drop these guys in. Woo! Don't crowd the pan. We're gonna cook these until they turn a nice golden brown and the internal temperature reads about 160. Hi, little happy bubbles. And that's the end of that. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's how you make chicken tenders. And now we plate. I'm gonna start by putting down my chicken tenders. like 3 per plate. And now we're gonna drizzle on our buffalo sauce. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna finish it up with some fresh chives and parsley. And of course, the ranch. There you have it. Super crispy buffalo chicken tenders. Woo. Sports. So crispy. Make this for your friends. They'll love you, probably. Bye, friends. Chicken tenders are awesome.